Most people get this wrong. They rush into applications without understanding what actually gets them approved, and the biggest mistake you need to avoid is applying without preparing your basic financial profile first. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for the Arro card in 2026 step by step, and what you need to know before you even hit the apply button. Let's start with the basics. The Arro card is designed for people who want a simple entry into credit building. It focuses on accessibility, but approval still depends on your identity, income details, and banking history. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before applying, you need to make sure your basic information is ready. This includes a valid ID, a working bank account, and consistent income details. Even if you are a beginner, accuracy matters more than perfection. So if Alex is applying, he should first make sure his bank account is active, his personal details match across documents, and his phone number is linked to his financial accounts. But here's the problem most applicants face. They assume approval is instant for everyone. In reality, the system still checks for risk signals like inconsistent identity data or unstable banking activity. Let's go step by step through the application process. First, download the official Arro app or visit the official website. Make sure you are using the real platform, not third-party links. Second, create your account using your legal name, email, and phone number. This step is very important because mismatched information can delay approval. Now here's where things become important. You will be asked to connect a bank account. This is used for verification and funding activity. Make sure the account is active and has a consistent transaction history. Third, complete identity verification. This usually involves uploading a government ID, and sometimes, a selfie check for security purposes. If Jake completes this step correctly, his application moves into review, which is usually automated but can take a short time depending on system load. Now let's talk about approval expectations. Not everyone gets instant approval. Some users may be approved immediately, while others may need additional review. That is completely normal. In a minute, I'll show you a simple trick that increases your chances of approval without changing your income or credit score. Now let's simplify the key steps. You apply through the official app. Enter accurate personal details, connect a bank account, and complete identity verification. After that, you wait for approval, which is usually fast if everything matches correctly. Let's summarize everything clearly. To apply for the Arro card in 2026, you need accurate identity information, a stable bank connection, and a clean application process. The more consistent your data is, the smoother your approval journey will be. If this helped you understand how to apply for the Arro card step by step, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit and finance guides like this.